Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can duplicate a column in your strip in Wix. So there are actually a few ways how you can do it. The first way is when you're going to be in a column. I don't know, I have this here. So I will click manage columns, and then let's say that I want to like duplicate the third one here. So what I will do, I will just click here, under it, pick an action, duplicate. Right? And this is pretty much how you do it. So yeah, you can duplicate it only one time. Oh, no, more time, because I have you can have only, I think, 5. Yeah, you can have only 5 column max. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Opa. Ask me down in the comments, I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.